In this video short, you'll see how to import additional rule project templates into your Corticon Studio installation. First, navigate to the official Corticon GitHub page, then into the Templates repository. Choose a template project of interest, and note the documentation about it in the README. All of the project assets are included in the zip file. Download the zip file, then open up Corticon Studio. In Corticon Studio, click File, Import. Choose Existing Projects into Workspace, and hit Next. Choose the Select Archive File option, then browse to the downloaded zip file. Click Import. You're often running rule modeling based on your chosen template.